Students, good morning. Is exam is fine?
Sir, fine.
Okay, good. Just try your level best to complete this exam.
Okay.
Look at your camera. All of you camera, look at the camera. Naveen, are you there? What happened? Naveen didn't come here today. Naveen not there. Many people are not joined. Oh, what happened? Don't scare with exam, guys. But this exam is final, like almost like it is going to be considered for final exams. Like 20 marks. You have a weightage. Internal exams. Just it's a multiple choice question. You can even if you attempt like randomly also you get definitely 5 to 6 around 7 to 8 question answers. Don't scare with exams. Did you inform to all your friends? Yes. Raviteja, Sampath, Sainath, Mahesh, Nitish Reddy. How is exam? Exiting.
Good,
I don't
sir.
know who is exiting.
Can I submit?
Sai Teja. Easy? Easy on the
What, sir?
exam easy on the
Easy, sir.
okay. Yes. Shailaja, you just joined. Okay, Shailaja is here. How about others? I don't know why they are not joining. It's 50% strength gone.
Sir, I submitted, sir.
Submitted. Who submitted? Raghavendra.
Yes, sir.
How much you got?
13, sir.
13.
Yes, sir. 13 by 20.
Okay. Yeah, you can post your marks in the chat box. I'll check it later, but you can post it. For me, you can send me only me, not all. You can send me personally. I'll check it. I mean,
Okay,
I
sir.
have all the, I can get the data also. I can post it later, but I just want to see how you performed.
Can you take screenshot and send, sir?
Yes, please, please. Even attendance also, it's very important. Today's exam, I wanna, you know, it's very important. I'm going to send it to the university. They're not taking serious, very bad. Yeah, you can take a screenshot of attendance, one picture of this
సార్
screen.
ఇది ఎగ్జామ్ కావట్లేదు సార్
I'm sorry?
ఎగ్జామ్ ఓపెన్ కావట్లేదు సార్
Open, work కాలేదు open. Exam work open కాలేదు.
Oh,
Raise your hand, name, tell me. Link open అవ్వట్లేదా? Is it link problem or something like, you know, did you check it? You can try to open it again.
Any website, sir. Then again it's come.
Ravi Teja, did you get it? Sainath? Sampath, do you have a problem? Okay.
Sir, can I send all questions or just to spot, sir? అన్ని క్వశ్చన్లు పంపాలా స్కోర్ ఒకటి పంపాలి
అన్ని క్వశ్చన్లు
స్క్రీన్ షాట్ పంపమన్నారు కదా
క్వశ్చన్స్ వదిలేసి క్వశ్చన్స్ రాకున్నా సరే ఆ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఇలా పెడితే పెట్టు క్వశ్చన్తో ఒకటేమో ఎగ్జామ్ అదే క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ లాగా పెట్టేసి ఒకటేమో అటెండెన్స్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ ఒకటేమో మన పిక్చర్లు కనిపిస్తున్నాయి కదా స్క్రీన్ లో అందరివి.
ఓకే సార్.
ఇది ఒకటి అంటే డిఫరెంట్ గా తీయాలా మొత్తం. ఒకటేమో పిక్చర్ కనిపించాలా మన జూమ్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ. ఇంకోసారి అటెండెన్స్ సైడ్ నేమ్స్ రావాలి. క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఒకటి ఒక 5-6 తీసుకొని నాకు పంపించేసి. నవీన్ రాలేదు ఈరోజు. వడాపే నవీన్. So I don't know. Naveen is not here.
Absent, sir.
Absent. Why? So scared about exam?
I don't know, sir.
Even some Nayak was there. I don't know what happened. Nayak. Sampal. Okay. Yeah.
Can I send in WhatsApp, sir? The number.
Only 22 members. I don't know. I can see chat box. Exam is finished. Kirti Kumar. Okay.
Sir, WhatsApp number, please, sir. WhatsApp number, sir.
WhatsApp, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the paper was not so tough. I can give the answers. I mean, I think it shows you, right? Answers chewinchindar?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yeah, ante meek easy. I mean, I can explain it, but you can see answer there itself.
Okay.
చాలా ఈజీ. అంటే ఇలాంటి ఎగ్జామ్స్ పెట్టుకుంటే రెండు రకాలుగా హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. ఒకటేమో కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కి చాప్టర్ వైజ్గా మనకు కొంత వస్తుంది నాలెడ్జ్, ప్లస్ సబ్జెక్టు బాగా అర్థమవుతూనే చేయగలుగుతారు ఇది. సో డిస్క్రిప్టివ్ టైప్ ఎనీవే ఐ కెన్ గివ్ ద నో మేబీ ఎగ్జామ్స్ దగ్గరికి వచ్చినప్పుడు ఐ కెన్ ట్రై టు maybe tell the important questions, ask you to write it like that. Kirti Kumar. Oh, Kirti Kumar, 20 out of 20. BSc MPC, congratulations. Who is Kirti? Did you look at, I mean, I hope you did own, but it's good. I don't know whether I believe you guys. If you copied something, that doesn't help, but I guess Kirti Kumar got very good, 20 out of 20, which is definitely good.
Sir, I have submitted my answer.
Uh-huh.
I have submitted, sir.
What is
Sir,
your name?
WhatsApp number, sir, please.
Nitish.
But send me the how much you got response.
Okay.
Sir,
that I
WhatsApp
can
number I
see.
don't have, sir.
I can able to see all your responses in the Excel sheet. Okay, I will also open that also. Maybe I can who submitted, who did not submit it also I can able to see.
I don't have number, sir. Please send me.
Okay, no, it's fine. I can tell you my number is there. You can able to see, right?
Yeah,
But I'll let you know who submitted, who did not submit. I'll let you know. Just I'm opening the sheet. Who got good mark? I can also see here. So which means 20 out of 20 means you got easy paper, I guess. So attendance you can take now 20, I think 22 only. I mean, I was expecting more than more than 50 actually, because definitely these marks are going to be final. I don't know why they did not took it. The punishment will be there. I can see now how many submitted. $23. So maximum, I think 23 members today they attended exam. So take that picture attendance, so the responses I received so far.
Sir, 944 number is yours, sir.
Hello. Nine responses I got it. Average. Okay. 20 out of 20. Okay, I'll see the marks here.
You can see it.
20 list, I'm just checking. Ria got. No, I can. That's not wrong. I don't want to check like that. There is a spreadsheet. Yeah, they already got it. Yeah. 11 members admitted. 12 members admitted. Still download response.
Sir, 944 number is yours, sir.
Correct answers.
Sir, I am not able, sir.
Correct responses. Average 11 by 20 points. Median 9 by. So who got 20 out of 20 is 1. 19 1. 21. 15 1. 1. 13 1. 12 1. 10, 1 person got 10 out of 10. I mean 10 out of 20. 9 marks got 3 people, 3 members. 8 1. 6 2 members. 5 1. Okay, still 13 members only submitted.
Sir, tell the names. Sir.
Uh,
944 number is yours. WhatsApp yours.
so that score should show these. I cannot see. Fourteen members submitted. Kirta, yes, he got yes. Yeah, he mentioned already 20 out of 20. He got 6. Ria got 6. Kirti Kumar got 20 out of 20. Suresh got 10 out of 20. Vamshi got 19 out of 20. Congratulations, Vamshi. You did good. Raghavendra got 13. Parshuram got 6. Sainath got 12. Nitish Reddy got 15. Ganesh got 9. Sampath got 5. Sampath didn't do well. Anjappa got 9. Shaikha Ajuddil got 9. Mittu Priyanka 12. Raviteja 10. Devara Madhu 5. Shailaja 15. You got 15. Gautam, 15. Are these marks correct? Whatever I got it? Right, right? So whatever I got it, automatically, this is a easy method, right? When you submit it, I can see your marks. So I don't need to correct your papers again and again. So it is easy for you to write, it is easy for me to note down marks. Can you take attendance? 25 members right now. Who wanna take attendance now? One picture now, please.
Right, sir.
Sorry. Srikanth. Twenty out of 20 is MPC student. Okay. It's good, very nice. Anybody has question? You have to attempt exam. Those who late joined, please. Any issue? Those who joined late, do you have any issue? Yeah, Priyanka, I got your marks. Yeah, I mean, I can see all of your marks, you know. Yes, Ainath, yes. Raghavendra. Raghavendra, yes. Raghavendra, you can take another picture which shows the total strength. I can see, I want to see the total number which is showing on the top. Just, number of participants 25. I want to see that. So keep that. Now 25, I guess. I don't know, still 24.
24 is there, sir.
Yeah, general why the joining and leaving, I'm not sure.
23,
Nitish
sir.
15 marks. Kirti Kumar, congratulations, 20 out of 20. You rocked it, I don't know. But I guess very good.
How do you, sir?
Kirti Kumar. Again 23 it went. I don't know why they are exiting. Simply they are exiting. Any doubt? Exam is over.
Yes, sir.
How many of you? I can see only 21 responses. 21 members submitted. Still, I think how many of you didn't submit? Tell your friends to submit that exam, but don't I mean, those who submitted late, definitely I can see where even if they got good marks also, I cannot. I mean, I may consider a little bit, but half of the marks maybe. I want to see how at least they have to attempt it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we can stop it. I think. Yes. Yeah, those who completed, they can leave actually. Those who completed, they can leave. They can exit. Complete అయిన వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు నాన్న.
Sir,
Yes, ఎవరమ్మా?
Can I submit my sir?
Yeah, you can.
Exam. ఇప్పుడు సబ్మిట్ చేయొచ్చా సార్?
Cheyi Nana. You can submit. You can submit still.
ఓకే సార్.
Yeah.
ఓకే సార్.
Yeah, you guys still submit it. ఇంకా 5 minutes వరకు కూడా సబ్మిట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఈవెన్ మన సెషన్ అయిపోయినాక కూడా సబ్మిట్ చేసినా ఐ కెన్ కన్సిడర్ ఇట్. క్లోజ్ అవుతుంది సెషన్, బట్ స్టిల్ యూ కెన్ సబ్మిట్ ఇట్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్. సో గుడ్ లక్, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
Okay, sir. Can I exit?
Gautam is still there joining. Gautami, did you submit? Amulya? Vani, did you submit? Vani?
No sir, I'm still writing sir.
Yeah, you can submit it. Even the session will close now, but
Okay,
you can still submit and send me a message in the WhatsApp. So I submitted at least. One is fine.
Okay, sir. Thank
Gautami.
you, sir.
Gautami.